The other day, the Easter breeze just well strong. True, true. Like, you know where Easter breeze strong, so. Hey guys, happy Sunday. Hope everybody good. Don't mind me, I'm hungry. All right, so funny story, right? I was like, how many days so long? Me do reviews and everything. I never do a KFC review. Nobody could tell me. So me need to do a KFC review right here. Then, I mean, I can't be hungry. I mean, I have to get lunch. No new friends. Hi. Come Mr. Well. Today is today. As me reach, you know, when you got in place, you have to make sure so you check your order. Just to make sure that everything where you order that you get, right? No straw. No straw. Right? Hold on. That was the first red flag. Second, so I come back home, have I order two same drinks. The two drinks them have two different color. And it's supposed to be the same thing. So you know that with tasty drinks, drinks, drinks. Mm-hmm. Second red flag. Mistake. It just come like say, you know when they don't say come like say you just nothing to stop but they still do it. Yeah, I don't want. And also I tell them there was no straw. Anyway, I say alright, me not bother with the whole excitement. I just put that beside me, behind me, and I go on. You understand? So the end of that, can me have to try guys, me try everything else and me never try this. Mm? We have to try. No. Guys, you tell me no. This is a tie, right? It the size. Still beef, wagwan. As I say still beef. You know, say wrong for that. Change the name and come back. Change the name and come back though. Big up yourself, still beef. You know, when you have one whole tie and then you chop in a two because the family, the family big, so you wanted to share. And that one right and so. Normally, me know, so then do this at Jamaica KFC, you know. So you know, the beef, they are, you make me talk about beef. The hip, them chop it up. Them chop up. When you add a boy, you add a two piece, it come like a one piece. Jackson, Wagwa. Really, kid? It come like a one piece to throw. So it come like them find the formula right there. So I don't know what one. Put some hot sauce on it. KFC. Yeah, me like my with ketchup. So other one, right? The skin, you have to say crunchy. This is the original, by the way. So I could try it and see what one. Thank you for the thumbs up. Guys, you know, this Easter so the Easter bread strong, extra extra crispy is better. You know what I'm saying? I see the crispy and me I say. I wonder if it would have better though. We never know. We never know. Make like say, you know, oily. I like say, you know, oily. I mean the skin crunchy like that. Salt neither. It just feels like some regular fried chicken. Like you know that flavor there when you eat KFC where you look for where you taste. You know they are so. But you can't eat. You know as bad as most people be like, oh my god, da, 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 whatever. And they don't have barbecue here. Then I have barbecue. Biscuit. Biscuit nice. Soft, fluffy, buttery. Mm-hmm. And do a good job with this, the biscuit. I could like this. Big up yourself, John. Extra crispy is the best. I have to try the crispy too. I always have to eat my fries with ketchup. No bad. And then when it's hungry, so I'm start with eat chicken this already. Yo, me did start eat this already. No, no, come to me. Yeah, me almost tear this down, but me say no, me have to leave a little piece for sure. No, thank you. Miguel running, confidence, same on it. Wow, yeah, me say, you know, at one point, me say, make me turn this round and make the party I look like, you know what? You knew. But me say, no, them are going to give me back very big. This it tastes good. This it have the bread, it have like chicken tenders, it have pickle and mayo. It's nice. Mm-hmm. 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 It was good. But when I say the crispy one better, but remember me telling about the drinks. Drinks flat. Drinks not good. So I end up happy get drinks. That's the deal. Can you imagine? This Florida. Mm-hmm. As a matter of fact, they need to add thing to them soda menu. Mm-hmm. Fried chicken and thing? Yes. Yes. Mm-hmm. I taste the people food. Oh my God. Hey, yeah, man, speed it up. But happy Sunday, everybody. Gonna good. But on the probably I got eat better than me. Maybe rice and peas and them things. But as soon as I can see, I just me get. Yes, them coastline number two. What gravy should you always get with fried chicken? Definitely curry gravy. 100%. Guys, let me know in the chat. What is your favorite gravy with fried chicken? Popeyes? Mm-mm. KFC. Correct, right? Mm. I've never had that biscuit before. Boy, me not tell a lie. Me don't make me hungry. So correct. Really? It look different? You know which KFC me here say good? Um, Trinidad and also Japan. I've been hearing that. Popeyes better than KFC, so I've heard. We try Popeyes and the Popeyes is really good for sure. It gives me a vibe like the skin to Popeyes, it reminds me of KFC spicy. Jamaican spicy KFC. Okay, if you're a real Jamaican, answer this. What is the best thing to eat with patty? That's too easy then. The best thing to eat with patty. Everybody know that. Oh yes, yeah. Me don't know. Cocoa bread, right? I think that's the correct answer. But it's patty the other day and whenever I'm a cocoa bread on a bread. Sure. Mm, cocoa bread, definitely. Tasha, hi. I heard Japan were different. We only got Popeyes, the only one in New Zealand opened last year. Really? Yeah. My ears said Japan KFC. Yo, really get 10 finger them. I will have to go to Japan. I have to go to Japan. Let's try it. I've heard about Japan and I've heard about your ear now here. Thanks, no difference. It like it's so long. You keep eating with me. I like this. This chicken little, them do good with this. Like if I go back to KFC, but I just order like maybe chicken little. Mm-hmm. But me not tell you like that. Just when you're hungry, everything tastes good. Everything tastes nice. I don't have problem. Kim, Kim, hola. Come on with it, please. Well, I did get Mountain Dew Lightning flavor, and good. It's flat. Good on that also. I have to go in and can get this. Can you imagine? Okay, welcome. Big up yourself. Thank you for passing through. Appreciate it. Mm, chicken little door. Bhagwan, Dimitri. Everybody over here using government name. That is funny. You know like KFC? I love KFC, man. Like, I'm telling you, the KFC, it was more like a treat food. Say, when I your birthday, or like, you do good or something, your parents would have like bring a KFC. So like, that's something you used to just like, eat all the time. So, Wawan, the only one. Jules. Hi. hmm And then, even the barbecue, sticky, hard to come off of your hand. It's like when you got KFC, everybody do that. Because you don't smell like KFC, but they did have like those wet wipes where you could have used to get off all of that. Um, Acho, yeah man, everybody over here have a fat man. They love them belly. I miss the ear growth. Doing great. Yeah, it's doing great. Thank you. Pizza. Guys, if you eat pizza, no put pineapple on pizza or no? That like weird. I do like a good Hawaiian pizza though. But what is your favorite pizza overall? Let me know. No? Damn shame. Mm. Yeah, it be like that sometimes. I love pineapple on pizza. Yeah, Kim. Popeyes is where it's at. I think yo, me, I forgot what Popeyes one. Honestly, I have to do a Popeyes one. Pineapple pizza is so weird. Really? Pineapple and yes, yes. Them have the Domino's, right? You're eating McDonald's. That no problem. All right. Since of most people don't fancy KFC, what is your favorite fast food? Let me know. Comment below. What's your favorite fast food? When they say rice and peas and them so the fast food. Ah, it's nice though. The numbers are everything and everything tastes good. Fred, don't bother with it, please. Don't bother with it. Whoa, why am I not surprised? Do not bother with it, okay? You're a chef now, so you have to try. What? What do I have to try? McDonald's is your favorite fast food? Really, no, new friends? It's not McDonald's that Jamaica, I know. And they come like, they take it long. I don't know what going on. Then, let's just pretend this is a restaurant. So, what restaurant you can be tasty though? Fast food is not healthy, so why would you want it to be a favorite? I was just asking. Right, if you were to choose a fast food, what would it be? All right, so talking of fancy fast food, Wings stop. Wings are the best. Really? Your favorite fast food at Wings stop? Me never hear nobody say that yet. Yeah, I ran fast food restaurant for years. Horrible. Really? Oh wow. Anybody else like Wingstop? I think they have a garlic wings, which is good. Oh yo, you know what I like from Subway? Anytime I go Subway, when they get me, I always get them tuna sandwich. It's probably the only place I get tuna because I love tuna, you know. But me can't get it right in there anywhere. Foot long. Wow, Ben. Who love Burger King? That's not great. Right. I do like the Burger King breakfast though. Well, the one in Jamaica because you get hot chocolate and or, orange juice. Two things. Yeah. Really, no new friends in the night with stuff? Wow. No, Burger King's the worst. That's the one I. Okay. Oh, jeez. Okay, thank you. Thank you for letting us know. Okay, guys, we're not hear it here first. Okay? When my life from Wendy's, I will always get them 4 for 4 because I will heap of things and that me like. I like whole heap of food, different food. Those limit. La 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 la. I guess me always almost done everything. Yeah, not today. No, limit one. All right, done with the fast food now. What is your favorite home cooked meal? Let me know in the comments below. What you know? Hey, Jamaica. I'm doing good, banana. Big up yourself. Oxtail. Ooh, oxtail. When are you going back to Disney World? That's a very good question. It's what the weather is like. Kind of overcast. Which one of the worlds them they want me to go back? Don't your friends? You already know oxtail. I'm from Jamaica. I love curry goat and fried chicken. Rice and peas, veg, so shaka berry lemonade, full of ice. God, need to go cook that now. Guys, it's done now. Over there, Thanksgiving food. Ooh, Dimitri, yes. Mac and cheese, sweet potatoes, greens, cornbread, fried chicken. You cannot go wrong. Love that. Corned beef and cabbage tomorrow. St. Patty Day. Oh, tomorrow is St. Patty Day? Happy St. Patty Day. That means I need to eat a patty then. Yep. Mhm. Yeah, definitely. All I want one. Thanks, Ben. Guys, it's done enough. Everything done as well now. But overall, the KFC, it wasn't bad. I give it like a 6 out of 10. hmm But you know, me now waste food, so you know, the biscuit was definitely a favorite because it was soft, buttery, and nice. So that gets like a 8.5. That was good. And the chicken little, I give that a 9. No new friends. No brown stew rice wrapper. I think I'll bring on out. I had a fish place there, Them they have some good red snapper. Candy! Candy, you here? Thank you, Kim. Well, I like this nice. Candy, I am good. You know yourself. Nice for you to catching me. live. Appreciate it. You taking the time out of your busy Sunday, you know? You say back empty must start blowing. Ah, yes, Lord. All right, banana, big up yourself. Right? Right? Candy, big up yourself. Thank you. And I appreciate your support. I see you've been very active in the comment section. Yes, like all of the videos, them, your comment on it, all of the food posts and stuff. I appreciate that so, so much. Big up yourself. Big dog. Hi. But guys, I think I didn't time to know, you know. Because I know as me eat me gone. So like when people got people yard, and you just go for the food and then as the food gone, you don't know how to say like, yeah, like, so you don't want to look awkward. That's crazy. Yeah, yeah, I came on, it's the box empty now, that's right up your way. You know, see Eastern I here, now I fly kite and everything there. Kentucky Fried Chicken and Wingstop. No, this one is coming on the blower. Come back easy, but look at me, I want chill, you know. Alright. Me don't want to say me a eat and left, so me just go and normal out look a bit. Yeah, me don't want to say me a normal left. Yeah, I'm not that person, okay? You know, I don't go live on Facebook. I don't go live on Facebook, you know, I just go live over here. And me not gonna lie, Facebook has been doing really well. You know, know your friends. You're over there, so you know. I did not know that I had so much people over Facebook. Honestly. And like my videos, they might hit like 2 million views or 1 million views over there. I mean like me not even didn't know because me not go up on Facebook. Me just post and then me come off. Me like, what? That's crazy. Yeah. Big up to people them over there. Thank you. Thank you guys. Joshua, big up. Traveling tech, wagwan. Can't believe it. Um, there was this, there was this, I think it's a lady who said that I reminded her of, anybody ever watch Fifth Element? The Fifth Element. And I think it's the girl in Fifth Element who was eating the chicken. And she made a comment on YouTube that I reminded her of that girl. And I have to go back and check out that scene. And it's like looking in a mirror. It's like looking in a mirror. I'm like, wow, that's crazy. If you don't watch that movie, you don't know me at all. I think Bruce Wills, you know, and another girl. I don't remember her name. Hala, you funny. Bruce Willis. Yes, Candy. Yes. Yes, Mila. Yeah, someone said that. It's talking. But guys, don't really us do. We just a chill out. Uno me wait for you know. Can be have to go down. Hmm. But overall, though, guys, based on the videos that I've been putting out, what are gonna good with what me I put out right now, the type of content that I'm putting out, or which other content another like to see? Let me know. Legendary, hi. You guys can let me know because you do know I have a lot of like short content, and then I have the longer videos too on my channel. And a lot of people just know me like with the short stuff, but then they really go over the long part. Yeah, where we do like vlogs and stuff like that. Yeah, because a lot of people find me from the shorts because they keep keeping up with the Jamaican content. For now, just watch Joshua and keep up with his trends. Yeah, big up Joshua. Yeah, man, Joshua and the Soap family. Love what them I do. Love what them I do. Me follow them on TikTok for a long time. Yeah, but them I get the highlight now where them they deserve long time. So that's good. Happy for them. Mm-mm. All right, pick up yourself. Holla. I'm gonna like come like this a year. Me have to go get a kite. Me have to go get a kite. Look how breeze strong. No, me have to go high a kite for true. You know, me did I want kite though, but me no know it. You know, me did I want kite. Me have to go look for it. Me have to go look for it. Cause when Easter come and you feel the breeze, me have to have sail up a kite in a year. Probably find it, I can get free ice it next week. I don't know. And the breeze are strong. I got napkins. Me don't have no napkin. Our you use napkin for this? Eh? You fly napkin? Remember we used to use when at Easter time they used to have this festival and we used to go they have like a kite competition. Some of the biggest kite them we me ever seen in my life. People go and it was like a treat for kids too. It was like a treat for kids too, where they have a lot of giveaways and games for the kids and competition, ball eating contest, the kite competition, best kite. They had two, I think, two areas where you could win based on how your kite look and based on how your kite fly. And it was so fun. We used to go that when I was a child. That was so cool. Me not make them do them things again. It was like an Easter treat for the kids. It was an annual thing. But me not know. People used to always look forward to going that. Yo, you guys are funny. But me have to go find my kite though. Me know say me have one. It's supposed to be there still. Me have a Jamaica kite. Yeah, me have a Jamaica kite. Me have to go look for it. It's still good. Just need to find it. All right, Ben. Big up yourself. Me I go run to car. Me have to go do some things. But I hope everybody have a great, wonderful day. Make sure to eat something nice, cook something nice, to me. And yeah, I'll definitely see you guys. Bye.